what time it is. It's toy time. So today, we are going to play with the farm animals and the farm tractors. Now, my last video, it was a Melissa and Doug blender. Now, this is a Melissa and Doug rug. See? Melissa and Doug. But these toys are not Melissa and Doug. Just this rug is Melissa and Doug. Okay. So, these are John Deere tractor. John Deere is nice. So look, they can ride around. And y'all guys are wondering, I can already hear you. What's that red button? It is, drum roll please, a button that's a light, and this pops up. So what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be using this because we're going to be driving and we don't want to hit any of the animals. So we're going to flash a light so the animals can move. Move. Okay, so then this is a John Deere too. See, the logo is right here, and it even says John Deere. But you can put Legos on top of here. And there's a farmer inside here. He can come out. And look, you can put blocks right there too, but it's basically built for her. So yeah. They're both John Deere. So let's start riding around. First, we're going to use this one. And how the animal's going to move with this tractor, we can do that. Because they can hear really well. Okay, let's start driving around. We can go between these little guys. Now, we don't want to hurt their eyes. We're just going to go in the middle of them. We're going to get far away and do that. Okay? Oh, there's a cow in the way. It's moving. Okay. Now it's over here. It laid down. Okay, let's keep driving. Oh, there's a pig. And a horse. Oh, they're going where the farm is. Okay, let's keep driving. I think we can get around them. Oh, no, we can't. Oh, are all of the... That's funny. All of the animals are together. Uh-oh, we need to award this doggy to move. Woof, 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 woof. Okay, we drove that one around now. So now, it's this one's turn. Now the animals can move around to their spots. Okay, start to drive. Now the dogs go on the animals when the tractor. Oh, there's a cow. Oh, it's going. Let's park our John Deeres. Okay, they're parked. Uh-oh. There we go. Woof, 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 woof. Okay, guys. that's all for today. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.